fish here get tagged with a little, it's almost the size of a quarter, and it goes on the side of the body, and it says that it doesn't have a battery on its own, but when they go by these specific detectors, it'll activate it, and then they can recognize individual fish. So yeah, so they do that here at the National Fish Hatchery in Leavenworth, Washington, located in the Central Cascade Range.
Can we look down here? As if it's open.
Oh, yep, you can see in there.
You can kind of see the shadows going around.
Oh, that's a big one.
We'll kind of see them down there. Oh, there they are. Woo!
All right, fun fact, in 1940, the Leavenworth Fish Hatchery opened as the largest fish hatchery in the world. I don't know if it still is though, it doesn't say so.
That's where we're going. We're patiently waiting for wildlife. Kind of see it. Right. Nope, that went away. No, I'll go back. If you can see, there he is. That little guy, he's so cute. What you doing? You're grumpy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Now you went away. Bye. Wildlife happens to be mosquitoes.
I get eaten, I never get bit.
A long time ago, in the Great Pacific Northwest, there was a huge fire and all the Douglas firs got burnt. All the animals ran and hide. The little mice chipmunks didn't know where to go, so they hid inside of a Douglas fir pine cone. And that's how you can see their little bottoms sticking out of the pine cone. And that's what happened to all the mice in the Great Fire. It was totally a made-up story by my biology teacher in college. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, those are people. I thought it was an animal. Oh yeah, they're just people. Where is he? Where'd he go?
He flew away.
There he goes. There he is. Did you get the little hummingbird?
I'm trying. Okay.
Got him.
Got him.
Now we have worked up an appetite on our little nature walk. And we haven't had breakfast or lunch today, so we're getting some dinner
Yep.
at the fake German
We're
place.
gonna get breakfast, lunch, dinner, all in one.
Dunchner. No.
Huh?
Dunchner.
Blinner.
But that's
Blinner.
lunch.
Blinner.
Blinner. Blinner it is. Oh my god, there's goats!
There's goats? Is that what you said? Yeah.